Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna try to share you the solution of my own case that I wrote for the Harry tournament. I'm so glad I've been allowed to be an honorary Harry, um, and I wanted to create that case because I loved Harry case, whichever Harry it is, and I think it was like my duty to dedicate one case to them. I don't know how much time it will take. You won't see like one single solution because I'm not uh, dim early, but I'll try to give you some hints and maybe some stuff on why I wrote this way, whatever. And I'm pretty sure that I won't finish in 45 minutes, even if I know the case. Let's go. Um, so, if you read it already, you might know that the best thing, as it is a hint I gave, was to start with bonus 5. So let's try to start with bonus 5. But before I will use what I use on every single case in the competition. This is like my small VBA that is splitting every level in different sheets. So we'll use it later. And then I will add another one to do b5. I think this should be already a ce sera range of this. Okay, there's an issue already because as you see there is a picture in the cell and it's just not helping the formula, so maybe I can do some back. NA. Matter. And now j'aurais pu faire ça. Et si je fais un taureau, ok, ensuite je vais faire de l'aime de ça. Oh, je vais le renommer avant. C'est je vais mettre ça. Et voilà, de substitute strings. Ah. C'est 6. Which is 6. Enough banana, but okay. So there will be 69 banana in case sheet. And then I will have employees, I will have daily reports, services, availabilities, and conflicts. And I will basically just change like this. Uh, 125, which was the answer to be fine. There were some hints that maybe you should check at something, because count this banana for last bonus. Maybe if you went somewhere like here, you would see there's no banana here, apart from this one, obviously, because it was asked to count this one. Here there was a lot, because there was in the name of the employee the banana. We have banana and banana-rama. Whatever. Here's banana reported. Yeah, so hopefully I'm right. And now I can add my mess and work with everything. Let's also do this one, because while we're at it, so it asks us to check what is the largest difference between apes and bears in any team. Let's take this. Go to the service. I'm so sorry, because sometimes I'm calling this services and sometimes departments. And okay, countifs. Sinon, j'ai le service, le département, etc. Ah, j'ai oublié de mettre. Tant pis, je mettrai une autre colonne après. Ça, j'ai even me got tricked by my own case. Okay. So first I have to do something like this, which is oh, hey, when I designed this, it was initially a table. Okay, some more. And now I can come back to my service. And yeah, some more. Okay. Some more. I don't need this anymore. I'll put it here. And I want to say matter. I call if this bigger than this, then I want this, otherwise I want this. Lead. I would need this for later. I know this because it's my case. So I'm also advancing on the data preps needed. And the lead diff. I mean, I also need this. Also need this for the bonus. Equal ret of this. My absolute difference of this minus this. And now I have this chain for everyone. I will take the longest one, which is obviously this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Okay. Now I have to start. I will also explain you something later. That wasn't made in the end. Okay, first one's a very easy one, which is basically an if and an x lookup inside the if. So it was like equal if this, then I want this symbol, and I put it just right here so it was easy to catch it. Otherwise, you want to x lookup this in this table returning from here. What if this is x lookup? Well, oh, better. Okay. Just for people to know, there is a picnic basket here. Some of you might have already recognized it, some of you might don't know this case. This is a picnic basket from Beer Island, and that's why also we have beers in that case. This is Harry Julien, one of my favorite cases ever. It's introduced so many stuff, so many new stuff for many people. So if you have never tried it, Beer Island from Harry Julien, try it. Then level 2. Okay, professional chant. We try to always mention that it was you had to use the ID number ascending order, but as I'm not mean, it was already every table was at the start in ID number ascending order to ease a bit the stuff. We'll go to level 2 then. First thing you will need is, if you read everything, you take this, and again it was like put it on easy access somewhere, do something like this, tack, and then you have to delete some stuff. Okay, we need it in the end to include the swords, because two creatures, a bear and an ape, will start a real ceremonial royal duel if they are aside in the processional chant. There's just a filter, so let's go. I will filter my daily report. I will filter. Should I have included it here? Maybe. Je vais faire ça. To avoid XLOOKUP of XLOOKUP, let's do one here. I will look for if I'm able to type on the keyboard. I'm a bit sick actually. Here, return from here. Okay. And then let's do. Oh, let's keep it like this. Still on level 2. So filter of this. Maybe I should add the Manite now. Okay, that will be easier. Stages. If this, then I'll come back to my this. Otherwise, this. Yeah. Filter. Now I can filter. Filter status if. Oh, I forgot this department also. Fuck. Okay, and let's do some XLOOKUP of. There was a lot of data prep needed everywhere here, and I think that was okay. Depth. Now I can do this. This, if no, this equal this by this equal this. Okay, and just concat it. Cat this, and we have like beer, beer, ape, beer, 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 ape, but it's sleeping. Might be the same as this one. Yeah. And then inside this, let's do some either you do a double substitute or whatever. There's only two, so it's not like very long to do. If you have like more than two stuff to change, you would probably do something like this. No, not A. It's the PC because the positional changed. You would probably do something like reduce. You want to reduce your PC, so the texts, by sequence of rows of your the place where you have everything. The accumulator value, and then let's do. I want substitute in my current accumulator. I want to substitute. I think I might need an at the end. I don't know. Index of in my first column. V by index of my second column. V. Yeah, for 2 is like way overkill again, but if you had more, it would make sense. I forgot this. Hello. That's it. Next one, royal identity confusion. We had several versions of this. Some of them had a space after, some not. So this one doesn't have it. Let's do some like this, and let's this way. So I have a space after, and then I will go to my employees list, and I would just add somewhere here equal text after in subs. It work. Don't remember. If I do substitute, I will have like all the if this works or not working. Je ne sais même plus comment j'ai fait. I want to remove everything from there. If is number of search. Je vais chercher ça. In this. je peux faire ça. Je pense que ça peut marcher. Voyons. Égal unique de substitute. Substitute dans ça. Ça. Rien. Oh. Oh, oh. Hop. Ben non, forcément. Putain. Je me rappelle même plus comment j'ai fait ça. Un truc débile. If. How can I block on something like this? It's so stupid. I have a list. I just want to remove one of this list. If there's something in it. Okay, there's one. And then we have 1 0 0 0 1. Seems like I'm over-engineering something that might be simple usually, but I don't know what was the easiest way to do this right now. My head is like hurting a bit. So we have my list. If I found one, I have like 0 0 1 for the one. So I have my array. If sum a equals 0, just take this. Je sais pas juste faire un text after. Voilà. How crazy it is, like sometimes you don't remember the easiest way to do something. Okay, so that's full name. And I'll do it like, let this is A, N, and then I will just do text before then A space. I'll take this. That's N. N. Okay. First, last, full. I've not noticed that this has changed. That's maybe because I saw a dim video from yesterday. To me, it was yesterday. In the original my writing was both. Like you have to check in both last and first name. Maybe it would have helped a bit. I don't know. Okay. Full doesn't help me. Buff was better because it was a different letter. Okay. Quoi? Ah. J'ai toujours l'espace. Okay, so if it was last, you have to count if in the last and or in the first or in the full, so in both. So let's do like equal la is this, phi is this, and foo is this, and countifs in la. I see this. It will be quite manual in the end. Yeah. I will just change it manually. Phi. Ooh. And then I will just do like some indexing this of mix match of. Could have done an X lookup basically. Sometimes it's just like I can't type X lookup for unknown reason, and I'm just index X matching as before. Okay. I forgot that I have 2 bonuses with level 2, so maybe I will come back to level 2 and tackle the 2 bonuses linked to level 2. On level 2, if you consider that the winner of any duel is always the one on the left of a sword, how many beers are left at the end? Count the total beers of every level. Answer after solving for duels. In case of consecutive duels, solve them right to left. So basically, when you have a series, you will always have the first one of the series. That is the winner. How I'm doing this? I think I'm doing this. So I have my answers here, and I'm doing something like let's split this by the sword. Okay. Oh, and I first have to substitute. My sleeping symbol. What I could have taken here. By nothing. Okay. So now, what I know is I shouldn't touch the first one, but for all the other ones, I should get rid of the first symbol. So I will do something like let this is my array, and I want to keep the first one because the first one will never move. And I will hashtag or concat, because in the end I need to concat. So concat of the first one of my array with, I want to map the rest, map drop of my array, and I want to drop the first column, and of x, and I want to in each time only keep everything but the first one. To do this, what can I do? Replace. There's a replace that I'm not using very often. Replace in x 1. Oh, this is is it 1 or 2 length characters? I don't remember. This by nothing. It is 2. What? Oh. It's still 2. Sounds good. Sounds not good. Why by this? Oh, by what is G44? Royal Jewel. Maybe if I was doing this all the time, it would be easier. Looks good. So then I just need to equal concat of this and equal len of this, equal len of a beer again, just to check these two. Yeah, sorry. And equal len of substitute. Inside this, I want to substitute the beers with nothing, and I will divide it by the length of the beer, which is 2. It seems knows as an issue. I know there's an issue. What have I done? Oh, sorry. Okay, I will explain you why I know there's an issue. So the answer is 98. And, I mean, I won't lie, it was not at all made on purpose. I just randomly finished on 98. But at some point, I asked myself whether I shouldn't give you the game number here and let you do bonus C, and if you can do bonus C, you will have bonus B and D available. It would have been fun. But yeah, okay. But it was not done this way. I mean, there was already some enough tricks in this case. Okay, once you've solved this bonus, okay, this was crazy to design. It took time. You can already almost read it here, so you just like take equal left of this, and you take 8 because what? Pourquoi? Bah, si je prends 4, ça dégage. Ah non. It's for some reason, if I take the first 4 in left, it knows. I've never noticed this. That's fun. It knows that the first 4, even if the length of the character is too 2 digit. That's strange. Okay, but anyway, you have Lana here appearing from nowhere, from this processional chance over there. It was hard to design, but it was very fun. When you manage to do something like this, like you reach your bonus, and I mean, you have to think that you want to go there, but it was very fun to design something like this, and you have to spend some time to make this happen. But that's fun. So it's Lana. Maybe some people would have been able to guess it. There was some, let's say, hidden hints if you wanted to go through and you check the names and you have all these titles, and if you check the title lists here, there is no king, but there is a queen. And if you look at who is the queen, it's Lana. And if you ever wonder for the next or after some later level, Lana has no mantle, which makes sense. Okay, back at it. We have done all the bonuses. I don't even know what's my scores right now. I'm already 35 minutes in, and I know the case. But I'm also speaking. Okay, total of preferred quota of non-operating employee. Use the daily report tabs. Okay, the preferred quota. So you first have to compute the preferred quota, which was maybe not clear in the instruction. I won't lie. And you have like what is the quota type of this employee, mean, max, or exact. And you have here mean, exact, or max. And you want to compute the preferred one. Preferred. Okay. What I do here is like index of. I will look in here and I will x match left of this 2 in left of this 2. Okay, I have my preferred quota. And now I just need to... What was the answer? On the date? Oh, you have to remove an employee, so okay. Let's add on the daily report the preferred. I will maybe try to speed up a bit because I'm speaking a lot, and this shouldn't be a movie initially. Okay. Preferred quota, and the total of preferred quota of non-abnormality. Okay, then I can sum of filter this, and I want this equal this. Okay, and I forgot to add. I know this is a pain. I really don't like sometimes how. I mean, some ifs would have been like. I was about to say like I don't like how filter it is constructed compared to some if, contif, whatever, and this is typically a place where I should have just used some if. No, not this. Et c'est pas employee table. Horrible. And now I'm typing it as it was a filter. And I want non-hibernating employee files. The audit of the pill. I don't even know how I can create stuff like this. I will do it on a separate tab. I think for this one, data table might be a good option. Okay. So, okay. Let's filter our whole table. Oh, no. Oh, and I gave it a clear name. Okay. Where this equal, and again I forgot to add this. Where am I? The date is this. Okay. And department is this. Okay. And what I like to do is I like to add this. I know what's inside. Okay. What should I do? Oh, compute every time. Okay. And also equal xlookup. This, and you have to check if there's a uniform delivery. Okay. Once we're here and we want the preferred or the what was reported, or so I will cheat on this because cheat also I know that there's exactly the same number of employee in every department, but you might have already seen this as 26, 26, 26, 26, 26. Okay, so you don't need to create some formulas that will expand or whatever. I can use it like directly here. Okay, first step is to say, so this has been changed from my initial stuff where it was like this. I think it would have been better. Okay, actual. Let's compute the actual. If the employee is hibernating, the actual will be 0. Or if the rage level is bigger than 7, then it will be its preferred quota. Okay, so let's first do this. Equal, oh. I need also the reported. The reported was length of this divided by 2 because the banana has 2 length characters. Okay, and then the actual would be if this equal, okay, then it's the reporting. Otherwise, if this equal late, it's int of preferred divided by 2. Otherwise, if this equal missing, I know that I'm doing this on this level and that I will need to have a complete list of the same calculation after, and that it is completely dumb to do this here, while for the last level I will need to make the same calculation on the full daily report list. Okay, maybe I would just have to catch another cell, and then I should have written a let to save some time. But okay, missing, then it's 0. And I forgot that the rage level was predominant on all of this. Otherwise, it's just impossible to have another stuff. And I like to put for myself, like, if this is bigger than 7, then it's his preferred one. Otherwise, it's everything else. Okay. Then is ib. If this 0, otherwise this. Okay. Now equal minus no sum of minus this. Okay, I have 12 employees that are hibernating. So I do 26 minus this. Okay, and I have 14 employees that are not hibernating. Okay, just compute the equal minifs of this. This if this is bigger than 0. Sorry. 1 plus multiplied by 3 this by okay, and now I just do if if this is uniform delivery, then I will take this number. Otherwise, I will take the sum of this. Hopefully, this is good because I'm already above the time. Oh, so I've wait. Even knowing the case, speaking, I would have scored like the report score. That's crazy. And I would have maybe just tried to do this in this sequence. Okay. But we're 45 minutes in. That's crazy. Okay, this one is good, but we have a bonus on game number 98 to solve. So let's come back at it and just enter 98. 98, we have like why? Am I missing one employee? Oh, this department is only 25 employees. This one also. This one also. I thought I put the same number of employees everywhere, but I put 256. Yes, that makes sense. I'm discovering my own case. Isn't it crazy? Okay. So hopefully this formula worked. If I would have done this like correctly, it would be like rows of this, because that may change, it seems. Okay, and this is impossible, but it doesn't care because when you do the sum, you don't have an issue. So this is what was really sent to people and what they reported. And even if some people are hibernating, some of them reported sometimes some banana or not at all. Don't remember. True. Oh yeah, this one is hibernating, but reported one banana. So we really have to take care of, which is crazy. Like this is a beer that is writing or typing on the computer while sleeping. But okay. And then just do what was my? How was it written? An under report of 2 bananas is +2, and an over report of 3 bananas is +3. So every single discrepancy should be taken into account. Okay, so let's do absolute of this minus the reported. And let's do the sum of this. And it was 9. And Then I just had to do something like, as I need to answer bananas. Correct. Of my banana. Oh. Okay. All bonus is done. And some levels done. Let's go to this one. Okay. This one. Okay, this one was my way to tribute Harry Gross, the social network. I wanted to do something like with this kind of linked people. I initially planned, when I tried to design the whole stuff, to do 1 or 2 or 3 levels around this kind of mentorship chain, whatever. And then, I mean, you can still have some crazy idea when you're working on these kind of things. And who knows? But maybe some stuff you might want to know or want to check on some math behind all of this. Because I also saw in Dim video yesterday, he was trying to find what was the longest mentorship chain. I will try something. I think this works. I will try it. I will add this, and I will do like let's just try every single employee here, and let's transpose it here. So I have like every employee, so 256 employee in both situations, and I will reduce it. Come back to my employees. I'm trying to do something like this. This will be like way overkill for this stuff, but you might discover, or this would refresh your memory on some math stuff. Let's do something like this. I will do this and this, and I have my employee mentor emp ment link here. And then I will come to my matrix and just say, if I have this emp ment, I will put a 1, or I will just leave a 0. So I will just do equal minus minus is number of x match of this and this in my new stuff. Oh, a bit calc intensive. Let's do some fancy conditional formatting, like equal to 1. Okay, and now we have this kind of 1 everywhere. We have this connection. Okay. Sometimes you will be able to do this, sometimes you won't. Don't remember if that's something like, if you can, I don't know. Okay, so I have this matrix. I will call it matrix. And your question is, matrix. Your question is, what is the longest chain of people here? And to answer this, because you have 1 everywhere, and you have like single connection, and because this is basically a finite graph behind this matrix, you can just calculate matrix power until you reach a state where the matrix becomes only zeros. This is a nilpotency rank. So basically, if I'm, this is not Excel friendly to do this, but if I'm doing like mult of matrix with itself, I will have my squared matrix. And I have to do this again and again until I find a place where the sum is equal to 0. What I can do is to write a small lambda to handle this. Let's do it mpo, and let's say reduce mpo lambda of, I want my matrix M, I want the power P, let's say, and I want to do reduce M by, should I do this because if okay, I will use it without power 1. So sequence of P minus 1 and lambda of accumulator value, and I just want to I don't care about the value. What I just want to do is mult A with M. That's fine if P2 is 1. Okay, this is my mpo lambda, and I will just do sum of mpo of matrix with the value I will put here right now. Okay, and now 2. Okay, and I will just do a sequence of, I don't know, 20 starting from 2. Stupid. And the more and more, so you see, like, the more and more I go to the right, the longer the calculation it takes, because you are like multiplying like very huge stuff of data again and again and again. Oh, and after 12 multiplication you reach 0, which means the longest chain of people has a length of 11. I should not recommend you to try it directly with Excel. Maybe some guy who on Python could do this, but you could have found the answer of Reunion Island bonus 5 doing like this, using all the travel and what was the next step. But you can do it like in Excel because the matrix and the grid of the Reunion Island map is way too high for you to do this. Okay, maximum length is 11, so this might help you. I mean, that's a long calculation time, things I did just to say, just to be here, sorry, and to just do like some recursive XLOOKUP, because basically you're going to do some recursive XLOOKUP. And I'm doing some recursive XLOOKUP. So okay, I need the ID and I need the functions. I will recall again, and I want if XLOOKUP of ID in my employee returning from mentor. If you don't find it, return this is equal to this. Then I want ID, otherwise I want this. Fn of this Fn. I need to call it differently as far as I remember. Okay, that's fine. And I want to vstack ID with this. Okay, this is my recursive lambda, and then I just do one for now because I forgot something, which is equal xlookup of this in my employees name returning first. Okay, and I will do rec of this with rec. Okay, and now I have my chain, my consecutive chain of whatever employees there are, and I know the maximum is, so you have 11 links, so the maximum list will be 12, and this was the first one. I gave you the maximum one. I don't remember if I gave you this maximum length somewhere. No. Okay, so I know this is the max, and I won't go here, so I'll just go equal. At no, take. I want the last one. Oh, the last one. And I want equal sum, if I can type, equal sum of xlookup of this in the employees list returning from the behavior shift, whatever. Okay, 46. And then equal at group by. I need them to be the rows. I should have in columns. Oh, this I don't know if I should add the other. Oh, maybe I should. When? Ok, et je recherche ça. Ça, et je récupère le nom. Ok. Oh. Oh. Huh. I'm not able to solve it. 115. Brilliant idea, Julien. C'est 27? autant de fois. I had this twice at the end because I'm already stacking with ID. So I just want nothing because I don't like this. If you don't find it, do 0. Oh. Okay. Is it better? Okay. Here's the schedule. Something. This one is crazy. Again, I don't know why I create stuff like this. Okay. You go to the conflicts. The first thing to do is, just in case, even if I might have included everything, but you never know. Hop, just double the list in every sense. And then what I like to do directly is to do something like this and this. And I have my conflict, whatever, list. And I know I can look at this, inside this, and I will have everything. Okay. What I did. First, at the data. Okay, so let's just do. First, let's look for them. You'll see employees list and returning the name. Okay, the opposite. Sorry. Name and get the employee ID. Okay. Then let's filter the evaluation. Okay. Equal filter. I will filter my daily report. I will filter the evaluation if this equal the date multiply by ID equal the current ID. I'm not sure this is a good idea to do this. Yeah. Okay. I know that I will always have 5 employees at the start, so I can do I can first log cell references and then do something like this. Okay. So now I have these employees and I can just filter who's left based on this. Oh, not this. Yeah. Left. CFCT. Do they have some conflicts? First I will have to again take back the name, so just like let's look at this here and come back to the names. These are the names, and I'm going to do equal filter. I want to filter okay, I have every combination of this one with the other one, this one with the other ones, okay. And then I just want to do his number of X match of everything here in how many sheets you have to move the city of city. Okay. if at some point I have a 1 here in every single column, this means that these ones are going to be rejected from the next step. So I just do like a by call of this, and 1 1 will be enough. So or, and I want the opposite. Look, if the, okay, there's conflict, so I just do it again. Left people, the left people are equal filter of these employees, right? Not this. Okay, and I have these 2 employees, and then I will do something like, which is we'll sort this tag of this. Not this tag, to call unique. Could have done it. Okay. Just availability. Yeah. Okay. I'll take the right one because I like things are clean. I still have so much to do. Okay. Do I need this? Yeah, okay, let's keep it like this. This, and I need the date. It's availability table, date. Okay. Logged references. So it's a start and up. 2. Si ça, si c'est inférieur à ça, et que ça est inférieur à ça, fois ça, brackets, ça, ok, et and then I will do something like again or equal if error of this match 1 no, let's do this X lookup. I'm looking for a 1 here, 1 hour 13 minutes, that's crazy, and I will return from here. And if you can find it, there's no meeting. I know this is wrong. Oh, I know what I did wrong. I should have taken or because this is like. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse? Il faut que je fasse la somme et il faut que je dise que la somme est égale à le nombre de valeurs là-dedans. What? Deux. Oh. Oh. Not sure this is good news. Unbearably hard. I don't even remember how I solved it the first time. No, I created the data set or whatever. I'm sorry, I'm so sick. Okay, there is some time where both of them are available between 10:30 and 11. Here. Okay, for sure. And then I have 10:30 as well. 122. So 122. It seems that there's no. Oh! Let's do this quick and dirty. Okay, I still have one issue on this. This looks way better. 132. So 132. The answers. So I will have some. Yeah, it won't help. No meeting. 132. That's awful. Who creates cases like this? Oh. There's one people. So there's only one people left. Is there a meeting actually? Is this a meeting if you only have one people left? I would say there's no meeting here. I think we had some issues with this one and all the edge cases. At some point we also had like the kind of 1 second meeting. I think it was on this one. Nope. 132. No. No, I don't remember. There was one where we had like this kind of 1 second meeting, and we said, okay, maybe it should be a no, there's no meeting, or I think it was one. Is it still the case, or has data changed? Oh, this one, 134. 134. Yeah, maybe the test was changed. Okay, this is available now. Okay, is I have corrected this one. What? 132. I don't remember. I don't know where I'm clicking currently. Oh, I just forgot to recalculate the data table. Yeah. You can do a meeting with yourself. Okay. This was hard. I mean, this was hard even for me. I don't remember how I created it. Okay, how many level do I have? How many points do I have currently? Okay. I think I only have the 8, 9, and 10 to solve, which are like not the quite fastest one, but we will do this. Okay, this one was crazy. As I don't want you to type this, I gave you the Royal formula for this. So basically, you had one lambda, it was Royal formats. Okay. And as you can see, since the beginning, I'm not using any lambda, so it was solvable without lambdas. With some lot of time. Okay, so we want to use the max quota, we want to use the rage base, and we want to apply the spices modifier. The spices modifier was like, you're in a service with beers and apes, and if there are more apes than beers in your service, then apes are dominating, and then you, beer, have to apply the bonus of the other ones. So a beer would apply the bonus of apes. And if you're a beer in a service where the majority of the beer is species, then you will apply your own modifier, whatever it is, whatever crazy idea it was. So let's go to our employees. We have this species multiplier here. We have the symbol of the species of the current employee, and what I want is the lead of the service, and I will get this because I made bonus. Basically, bonus 1 was also to help you for this one. I'm looking for this department in the service tab, and I will retrieve my lead species. Okay, and I will say equal if this equal this, then I will use my own, or I will use the average ifs of this if this equal this, and this, and that's crazy. I'm mixing filter and summits all the time. Yes, I have this. Okay. But the thing is, this is the bonus you will apply, but you don't know yet if it's nape or this is a bonus. You don't know yet if it's an ape or beer bonus. Let be beer B. Equal if this equal this. If this is an ape, then you'll take the What? This is an 8 bonus. If the lead is an 8, then you take the bonus. That's fine. Otherwise, it's 0. And the opposite. Okay, and now I can only have one in every line, and that seems good. Then let's calculate the level 8. So level 8 Royal Performance Max Quota Average Base equal Royal Performance of Max Quota. The Rage. 8 bonus, the beer bonus. Okay. KPI 8. Maybe I will do something. Oh, what have I done? No. 8. Okay. And this is what I'm asking to have like computer theoretical needed. Rounded to the next integer. Round to 0 decimals. Okay. KPI 8, it's here, and this was medium one. Yeah, it was fast. Okay. Next level. May the lowest roll win. Same thing, but this time we are going to challenge two teams, one against the other one, and we want to use a true banana delivery and the wage level of the day provided, because it was easier if we don't add some more complexity here. We want the average of the given service, but we can get rid of the uniform delivery. Okay, what I said easier earlier is like this actual stuff is what I will need right now. Status. I want the rage. I want the preferred. And I want the reported. Okay. The status was this. The rage was this. The preferred was this. And the reported was this. And now I know that every red is rage. There's only one. Every blue is status. Status. Every pink is pref, and every green is report. Okay. I can take this formula and come back to daily reports. I have the preferred, I have the wage level, I have the status, and I just don't have what was needed again. Reported is okay. This divided by 2. The preferred is here, the rage level is here, and the status of the delivery is here. Okay. Actual without hibernation. And then I might add, because I need to add the hibernation for this level, I guess. Okay, no. Oh, here. No. here. Okay. Right. Up. Just forgot. Ape B. B. Equal X lookup. You can say it's like starting to have data everywhere. This looks a lot like maybe what you would do in a very dysfunctional company or data center, everything. Just one thing. You know, like this species majority bonus stuff. That if your department has more bears than apes, you will have this part of this part. I initially wanted to add a bit of difficulty, which was on this specific day, due to the people who are hibernating, then this would shift. That some days there are so many apes that are hibernating that suddenly the department, the service is led by the bees. So the ape bonus and bear bonus would be swift. Not sure you would have loved this. Just know this would have been able to do. Okay, we're fine. Now I can do my KPI or format of my banana is this KPI act. My rage is rage level of this moment. My A bonus is here. My B bonus is here, and I have every single KPI for everyone here. So it's KPA underscore 9. This for the level 9. I'm going here. I'm just doing some equal filter of daily reports. Daily report table. Yeah, report table of KPA 9. Where report table date is equal to this, multiply by report table service department, that is this, and I do an average of this. Oh, and that is not hibernating. Oh, that's not better. And I need to run to the nearest integer. Run. Like salary references. Okay, equal this lookup of max of this is this returning from this. Compute is screwed with the brackets. Okay. And max of this. Cross fingers. Yeah, I'm good. Last one, but not least for sure. And I'm 1 hour and a half inside this. That's crazy. The last one. Sleep to win. I think You know what case I'm talking about. Which was Harry Sader's Sleep as a Sport, I think it was the name. Okay, so basically we have this KPI, we just like filter the report table. Again, I will filter. What should I filter? My KPI. My KPI 9. I think KPI 9. Let's try. KPI 9. If report table date is equal to this, yeah, report table depth, depth equal to this. Okay, I have all these KPIs, and I can do also something like this. Amp ID. So they are already sorted, and the question is, have I calculated it even for hibernating employees? Yeah, I have this KPI act, and I want this actual to have the other value. So let's just do a KPI 10. KPI 10. Because I want to compute this KPI when the people are, if they weren't sleeping. So if they weren't sleeping, we'll use the actual. Okay, there's still some 0, which is basically when there's some missing stuff. If it's missing, then it was 0. That was the rule stated on this particular level. Then I can go here and just look like, so it's KPI 10. Okay, and I have my employee list, and basically what you want to do is just like you want to know how many of them are hibernating, because you have to put them, you have to awake some and put other ones into hibernation. So let's just grab this value here. Let's just take today hibernates. Okay, and let's do sum of minus this, and you will know how many of them are hibernating. 8. Then you know that from, if you sort this KPI from the biggest one to the lowest one, you just have to remove the last 8, and you will have the best values. Not just sorting problem. So let's just take like a drop of sort this. You just want to sort it from the biggest one, and you want to remove the last. This. Okay, this is, and if you do the average, because it's average of this, and I round it round. I know this is the best value I can have, and it's the same value I have here, so I'm pretty confident with this. Let's just keep some part of it, because I still want to keep this, I guess. Oh, and I will do something like let's look at this in this returning I want the symbol. Okay. Now I want to know which one is going to sleep, which one is not going to sleep, and I will do something like I want to sort and sort again. I want to sort them by the KPI, put the last 8 on sleep, and then resort this new array by this position. Est-ce que je peux faire ça dans le bloc? Sort by. Ça par ça. Descending. Ok, donc là je les ai dans l'ordre. Ensuite je veux faire vstack de dans ça. Je drop ça avec un expand. Pas expand. Je peux faire expand? Ah. De ça. Où est-ce qu'il est? Oh, I really don't like the way expand function works. I think it's like this. Yeah. And then I just do sort by this. By this. Est-ce que c'est retenu dedans? Sauf que je les ai pas gardés. Donc je peux pas garder ça. Ça veut dire qu'il faut que je fasse. Oh! Là j'ai les meilleurs. Et je veux les remettre dans l'ordre. C'est quoi? Pas... Oh bah je sais. Je veux trier ça par... ça. Ascending. Yes. Et maintenant il faut que je rajoute les deux trucs du début. Hop. Put. Forget. This works also. I'm not having to type again the reduce, and then it's just this and this. Tell me I'm done. I'm fed up with this case. Yeah. This is like, I think it was a longer movie than the one Dim made yesterday. This was my own case. Okay, hopefully you had some hint on how to solve it, or you got the solution now. Hope you enjoyed it. It was fun. Read the story. It was fun to write it. There's no other Easter eggs inside, I think. It was already complicated enough to write it and everything to then to add some Easter eggs everywhere. Maybe in another case I will do this. But yeah, hope you liked it. Hope you like to see the solution, and see you next time. Bye bye.